inside the engine of the bullet train. Uh-oh, the Kazum crystal is giving the bullet train too much power!
Oh no! It's driving away so fast!
Not good, y'all. Not good. If the bullet train gets to Kaboom City, it's gonna crash right into the training headquarters. Oh no! And all the citizens of Kaboom City will be in big trouble and big danger! We have to do something! Don't worry, guys. Rocket can get the Kazum crystal back. He can go super fast. We're going to have to fly Rocket as fast as he can go. Super fast! Will you help me fly Rocket super fast? Great!
Super fast! Super fast! To get to super fast, we have to start at Adagio. Pat the feet on your lap slowly. Moderato. Now pat the feet on your tummy a little faster. Allegro. Now pat the feet on your shoulders even faster. Presto! Now reach your arms to the sky and shake your whole body! We did it! We're flying super fast! We got it!
See you at the train station, Bullet Train! Operation Kazum Crystal Rescue to the Bullet Train is a big success! We did it!